Six of the match. Oh, what a six that is by Chandrasekhar. I'm sure he played a lot of cricket in his younger.
बहुत खूबसूरती के साथ यहाँ पर खेला, बिल्कुल बल्ले के बीचों बीच लेकर ताकत के साथ बहुत
sedate start by the Abhineta 11. This time he bowls and he plays him on the onside for 4 runs. And that was a good looking shot, a confident looking shot over the extra cover for 4 runs. And the first boundary from for Chandrasekhar.
बहुत खूबसूरती के साथ यहाँ पर खेला, बिल्कुल बल्ले के बीचों बीच लेकर ताकत के साथ बहुत अच्छा कनेक्शन और शानदार यहाँ पर कवर ड्राइव, गेंद चली गई सीमा रेखा के बाहर, 4 रन मिले तो दोनों बल्लेबाजों ने चित परिचित अंदाज में खेलना शुरू किया है। सबसे पहले जो सी का कॉन्फिडेंस है, आत्मविश्वास है, वो नजर आ रहा है दोनों बल्लेबाजों में। और इस वक्त ये है शानदार ऑन ड्राइव, गेंद जाएगी सीमा रेखा के बाहर, लगातार दूसरी गेंदों पर यह दूसरा चौका, शानदार बल्लेबाजी चंद्रशेखर की।
Yes, what we expected Mohammad Azharuddin to do, Chandrasekhar is doing now. He's on 9 of 8 balls, 14 for no loss. That was a good shot, hiked over the mid-wicket region. No fielder there, straight for 4 runs. Sharad Kelkar it is once again, and this time rather ambitious looking shot from Chandrasekhar will get a single as the ball goes to
The parliamentarians do not get a chance to do that, and considering that when the two of them are there in the center, it's a pleasant sight to watch.
Yes. In fact, Sunil Shetty owns a cricket team sign, and that's a lovely shot from Chandrasekhar. Fielder in pursuit between the mid wicket for 4 runs. Chandrasekhar certainly not keeping quiet, undeterred by the reputation of Mohammad Azharuddin. He's going for his shots.
Well, look at that one, overpitched. He wanted to actually drive it into the extra cover region. It doesn't really matter. The thick, it was an intended stroke. It was an intended stroke. And he seems to be an ideal foil for Azharuddin out there.
Yes, certainly. He's taken much of the pressure of Azharuddin, and 41 for no loss. Neta 11, we are into the 6th over. That was a better looking ball. Not giving much room to the batsman. A rather wayward throw from the bowler. And as we see, fielder shot of the bowler.
It was very, very short. Chandrasekhar. Now I think, with both of them getting their eye in, and if you look at, I think 11 runs conceded in that over, why going for that stroke? You're playing well, you settle there, you want your side to get big runs, you know you're going to be playing against a younger side, more fitter side, get a score of about 200 at this rate, right? 20 into 7 is what? 140. So I would say about 100. That's
yeah,
right.
So 7. But the ideal score for a good contest would be around 150, 170. But as you rightly said, they have a capability of going up to 200. I mean, if they play more sensibly. The leg side to the square leg region. Gets a single, moves to 26, 22. So 55. And we are into the 7th over.
So this is surely an over which the fielding side will want to forget as quickly as possible, particularly after the even the bowler before this, Saqib, came in for 11 runs. So the game has shifted suddenly. You did mention that they had held them on a leash, and now see what's happening. First 6 of the match. Oh, what a 6 that is by Chandrasekhar. I'm sure he played a lot of cricket in his younger days.
That was a huge 6 by Chandrasekhar. Belting Anupam Kher, who actually dishes. Anupam Kher in a gesture, humorous gesture, takes the bat, sort of telling Chandrasekhar, hey man, what are you doing? I'll whack you. Just in light vein.
You remember that duel between Dennis Lillee and Javed Miandad?
Yes, certainly. But this is more of a fun that these two playing, and Anupam Kher conceding, I think, too many runs in his over this time.